Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the softness of the vignette effect in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here, after the picture loads, in the bottom bar, we have to select Effects. We tap on Effects, and here after we set the vignette, either to the left or to the right, we can edit the feather. The feather basically means how soft the transition is between the vignetteless parts and then the parts that are affected by vignette. If we slide it completely to the left, then there is going to be a really hard shift between the two. And if we slide it to the right, then there is going to be a very soft shift. As you can see, it's very soft like this. But if we decrease it, then it's going to become very harsh. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.